not sure how to apply? Whether it's for taxation, banking, or investments, having a permanent account number, PAN, is a must. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to apply for a new PAN card online and offline. So stay tuned and follow along. What is a PAN card and why do you need it? A PAN, permanent account number, is a unique 10-digit alphanumeric ID issued by the Income Tax Department of India. It helps track financial transactions and is essential for filing income tax, opening bank accounts, and making investments. Who needs a PAN card? 1. Indian citizens above 18 years. 2. NRIs, non-resident Indians. 3. Foreign investors and companies doing business in India. 4. Minors, if parents wish to apply. Now let's see how you can apply for one. Documents required for PAN application. Before applying, make sure you have the necessary documents. Here's what you'll need. For Indian citizens, 1. Aadhaar card, mandatory for online application. 2. Passport size photo. 3. Proof of date of birth certificate, Aadhaar, etc. 4. Proof of address, Aadhaar, voter ID, utility bill. For NRIs and foreign entities, 1. Passport copy. 2. Bank account statement from India. 3. OCI PIO card, if applicable. Once you have these, you're ready to apply. How to apply for a PAN card online, NSDL and UTIITSL? Applying online is the fastest and easiest way. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Visit the official website. Go to NSDL, www.onlineservices.nsdl.com/PAN, or UTIITSL, www.UTIITSL.com/. Step 2. Choose the Form 49A. For Indian citizens, Form 49AA. For foreign nationals, Step 3. Fill in the details: name, date of birth, Aadhaar number, mobile number. Select physical PAN card or ePAN option. Step 4. Upload required documents. Submit scanned copies of Aadhaar, photograph, and signature. Step 5. Pay the application fees, 93 rupees for Indian address, 864 rupees for foreign address. Step 6. Submit and verify via Aadhaar OTP. After submission, verify using OTP sent to your Aadhaar linked mobile number. Step 7. Receive your PAN card. ePAN is issued within 7 to 10 days. Physical PAN card is delivered within 15 to 20 days. That's it. Your PAN card will be delivered to your address. Now let's see how you can apply offline. How to apply for a PAN card offline? If you prefer the offline method, follow these steps. Step 1. Download Form 49A from the NSDL or UTIITSL website, or get it from a PAN service center. Step 2. Fill in the details manually. Step 3. Attach passport-size photos and required documents. Step 4. Pay the fee via demand draft or cash. Step 5. Submit the form at the nearest PAN application center. Step 6. Receive your PAN card within 15 to 20 days. Applying online is quicker, but the offline process works too. How to track PAN card status? After applying, you can track your PAN status easily. Go to the NSDL/UTIITSL website, enter your acknowledgement number, click Track PAN Status. That's how you check the status of your PAN card. Applying for a new PAN card is easy when you follow the right steps. Whether you choose the online or offline method, make sure you provide accurate details to avoid rejection. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Investor Owl, and share it with friends who need a PAN card. Got questions? Drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be happy to help. I'm Prasenjit, and this is Investor Owl. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.